Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can eliminate this situation. If you do not see the name of a contact on your iPhone or receiving SEMS messages, please subscribe to our channel, write your comments at the end of the video, be sure to put your likes. And let's get started. So, first of all, go to your phone settings. At the top, click on your name to go into Apple ID. Sign into iCloud and click Show All. And you'll see your contacts. If this section is not activated, then you will need to enable it. If it's enabled, like I have it now, then turn it off, click Copy on your iPhone, wait a little while and turn it back on. This is to make sure that all the contacts you have in your phone book are copied to your iCloud, and this may help you with this problem. If this doesn't help, then go back out to your phone settings. Scroll down until you find your contacts. Go to Contacts, go into Contacts, then go to Short Name. And this is where you will need to do the same as I am doing now, which is to activate Short Name. And then you'll need to activate the bottom section. And here you'll also need to enable First Name Only. After you do that, maybe your situation will be fixed. If this step doesn't help you either, then you go back to your phone settings, go to your Apple ID, and then scroll to the bottom where you'll see Sign Out. In order for you to log out of your Apple ID, here you'll need to maintain your password, and then continue the action, after which after a short time log back in. Perhaps when you update your Apple ID this situation will be fixed. Friends, with these few methods you will be able to fix the situation when you don't see the contact name on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.